Let's now go to integumentary disorders. Let's discuss secondary skin lesions. Secondary skin lesions, the type, scale, the description is irregular formation of exfoliated keratinized cells, irregular shape and size. Examples, psoriasis, tinea vari-scolor, pityriasis rosea, seborrheic dermatitis. Next is crust, dried serum, blood or exudate slightly elevated. Impetigo, tinea capitis, acute eczematous inflammation. Next is lichenification, thickened epidermis with accentuated skin lines caused by rubbing. Lichen simplex chronicus. Next is scar, thin or thick fibrous tissue following dermal injury. Examples are burns, acne, keloid, herpes zoster, and hidradenitis. Next is fissure. It's a linear break in skin through epidermis and dermis. Examples are hand dermatitis and tertrigo. Excoriation. It's a hollowed out area of all or portion of epidermis with depressed appearance. Examples are eczema, insect bite, and acne excoriae. Next, erosion. Localized loss of epidermis, heals without scarring. Examples are herpes simplex and perlicea. Next is ulcer, loss of epidermis and dermis, variation in size. Examples are the cubitus or stasis ulcer, factitial ulcer, pyoderma, and gangrenosum. Next is atrophy. It's a depression resulting from loss of epidermis and/or dermis. Examples are morphea, striae, aging, dermatomyositis, topical and intralesional spheroids. Thank you for your attention.